Welcome to 5325 Northwest Jackpine Avenue, located just between Redmond and the river, very close to the Deschutes River, very close to town, on a paved road, corner lot, excellent access, RV parking and extra vehicle parking abounds. There's a fenced yard area that's 6 foot tall. Great for pets, keeping your kids contained. Really a nice feature. Expensive to replace. You'd be lucky to get done what's here for less than $15,000, and it'd probably be substantially more. This is a circular drive. And then the detached 2-car sized garage with a single car door and a shop space in the back. Landscaping is beautiful, yard's in great shape. Lots of neat little trails through the property too. Kind of a covered back porch area, leads into the great room. There's a private deck leading into the upstairs primary, or the biggest bedroom upstairs. Circular drive goes out here. Just awesome if you have trailers, an RV, motorhome. Everything's in beautiful shape here. And the views from upstairs are breathtaking. You can, with this setup, the house is facing west, be on the back side of the home in the shade in the summer, or when it's wintertime, get some sun back there. And as the day transitions, get your sun or shade on either side of the house. That kind of layout is just beautiful for taking in the Central Oregon outdoors in the best way for the weather of the day. Now inside in the great room area, looking at the fireplace, kitchen with breakfast bar, quartz counters, stainless appliances, nice cabinetry and backsplash, single bay sink. Pretty convenient having your washer and dryer right here as you work in the kitchen. You can tend to your laundry. This tile floor is awesome for being out here where you're in the high desert. There's sand and grit around, even when you keep things perfectly landscaped and manicured. So having a highly durable surface like this that doesn't chip, works well with pets and moisture. To me, it's the best flooring type for the area. And then behind the fireplace here is the staircase to the second level. You can see that ductless heat pump head. This is where they had their TV, and a wall mount goes there. Awesome. Really works well for the space. There's several ways you can configure the living space with a TV, though. You could put one in the corner below the ductless heat pump head, or over there against the wall. Lots of flexibility, really. And then moving back to the door, this leads straight out to the detached 1-car garage, and you have your main floor bedroom that I think most would consider it not to be the main primary, but with a floor plan like this, there's flexibility. Somebody may choose to be down on the main floor, and you've got the full bath right here. So for some people, this would be the more natural choice for the primary, but the upstairs room is bigger and has the view. But still, really convenient to have the bedroom on the main floor for people that don't want to go upstairs every day. If you have guests that are mobility compromised, it's really great to have, especially with the bathroom. Everything in beautiful shape, cleaned, and ready for you to move in. Now upstairs between the two bedrooms and the landing, staircase has the newer carpeting. All the carpet is in beautiful condition. Rooms are spacious. Good sized closets too. Just bypass doors on these, or bifold I mean. But good organizers, good space. This area makes a nice little desk, office, setup, whatever you need. Whether you need a little kind of TV area too, you could set up a chair. See, there's cable outlet, power right there, power there, but you can set up a chair right in that location, have a TV there, desk, whatever you need. Then there's extra storage, kind of like a closet if you needed to put doors on it and hide things, but all your Christmas stuff can go back there. And this upstairs bedroom, the biggest of the bedrooms, the best view, has its own private deck. Those are the sisters there and Klein Butte. South Sister is not illuminated today. Well, any day from here because it's behind Klein Butte. Good sized closet in this room. Can fit a king in here very easily. One thing that's nice is these little ventilation fans between the rooms when you have a ductless heat pump system. That's really helpful for circulating the air. And this closet, good organizer in there. The upstairs half bath. Really nicely updated, good vanity. If somebody really wanted to get resourceful, there are corner bathroom setups that you could turn that into a full bath pretty easily with a corner shower, corner toilet, and corner sink. As it is, it functions great. But if somebody was really wanting to get another shower upstairs, it could be done in that footprint pretty easily. So, just an awesome second floor layout, lots of options, paint's in great shape, windows, beautiful view. Really nice. Walking out onto this private deck off of the upstairs largest bedroom. It's not really the primary per se. Most people would use it that way, but it doesn't have a bath connected to it directly. But it has the half bath closest. It is the biggest, would fit a king, so I think most people would use it as the primary. Great privacy here, beautiful views, nice yard. Just an oasis here next to Redmond with a fenced yard ready to go. Now at the back of the home in the fenced yard area, awesome for pets, kids, whatever you have that you want to keep within a space. The composite deck is in beautiful shape. That step is right next to where there was a hot tub. It's pre-wired and ready to go for that. You could put another hot tub in that place real easy. Little garden shed here. The detached one-car garage, really the size of a two-car, but just has one door. This space easily fits quite a few Shelves and cabinets across the sides for storage. Great for projects. Good lighting in here too. Has a garage door opener. Outlets throughout. And in the back is this space that's more of a finished hobby area. Could be used for a workout room, reloading, all kinds of workshop projects. Moving through this backyard space a bit and onto the back deck. Leads into the great room area, the deck above into that larger bedroom upstairs. Beautiful views up there. And there's really pretty nice views from even here on the ground level, peeking through those trees. You can see the top of Middle Sister there. And South Sister kind of pokes through, or sorry, North Sister. You really only see the North and Middle Sister from here on the property because Klein Butte is in the way of seeing South Sister. The ductless heat pump unit there. Everything's clean and ready to go. There's a burn pit area over to the side. You can see that fenced portion. It's enormous. Huge chunk of the property. Goes around the edge, connects around to the back side of the 2-car sized garage shop area with a single door on it. Really great.